Okay, we're in Taipa Village. We're gonna go down that, there's a Starbucks right there. We're gonna go down that side street. It kind of goes into the labyrinth of kind of cool stuff. And then right in the front right here is a very, very busy street, as you can guess, because you can see all the people everywhere. You can see lines of people all lined up over here. And they're all lined up for this beef opal, like beef intestines space that's right there. And Starbucks is above it. But we're gonna go down the Starbucks way. So stay tuned. And a little plaza right here as well. Okay, let's go down that street. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we are gonna go down that street. Got lots of people everywhere in here. Big long lines. Lots of people all the way down. So this is木鐸街, which is kind of like a food street. So a lot of people will get food in this street right here, and they'll get it like takeout, like this one, and then they'll take it and they'll usually go over here and eat it over here. As you can see, people eating kind of everywhere on the street here. But we're going to go down our target street, which is this one straight ahead. So let's kind of navigate around. Our street's called Rua dos Cle. The Starbucks is right here. There's also a Portuguese place right here that has like little tins of sardines and such like that. Tuna. Okay, so let's head down our street. Starbucks. And this one you got a pork chop bun place. It's funny how they got a giant pig. So you got a cute pig, and then that kind of means you can eat some pork. Fresh coconut right there. This is like a Thai restaurant? Yeah, it is a Thai restaurant. Pretty tasty. Mango fried rice. Huh. There's actually another Siam restaurant, so I guess this is Siam, and then that's also Siam too, I guess. So maybe they both are the same restaurant. Two entrances. So we're gonna keep on heading in this way. More alleys. More alleys like this. Portugal. Okay. Kind of cool. This has a sign called Deluxe, written the Portuguese style. The Beauty Bee. I think that's new. I don't recall seeing that one before. Famiglia is a hostel that's relatively new. Also has Macanese and Portuguese cuisine. Barcelona. A little bit of construction on here. You'll see there's lots of new stuff around here. This whole building right here is new. Huh. Looks like they turned it into an art gallery. Huh. Caterators. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, this is new. This wasn't here before, so you got a tall ceiling for it. Huh. Thought it was going to be something different. Dinner time and cafe. Portuguese bakery. Yeah, this one right used to be artwork used to be in this yellow building. So on Clerigos here. Just gonna go up briefly because this is such a cool photogenic spot right up in here. But yeah, there's that right there is called Goa Nights. So that right there you can sit on that balcony. There's also some other places you can sit on balconies as well. Very photogenic. I'll tell you. Another balcony up there at the top of the pink as well. And then this one, I think it's still Clerigos. And then you also have this award-winning Antonio restaurant. So you got all the plaques on the wall as well. So, okay. So we're gonna go back in there in a second. This is a one-way street. And we're gonna go back in. See more of it. It is a pretty cool street. And I guess it's also Clerigos as well. So that's more of our target street right here. Clerigos. Moon. So Taipa has Italian cuisine. And I believe the street ends right here. So that'll be the end of our street. There's also some kind of interesting stuff down that way as well. So that's basically Clerigos. I think this has a different name altogether. I think this is called like Commercial, something like that. You can see the casino way down there. And we're gonna actually end it. So that's actually Clerigos, and we're just kind of meandering a little bit. And we're in Taipa Village. So kind of a cool looking building. You even got a basketball court right there too. Okay, so basically our spot over there was where Clerigos was at. And then kind of got these really beautiful colorful buildings, some rooftops. I think that's the Bella Italian one. You can sit up at that rooftop as well. So let's just end it right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.